Don't shy away from making a pastry at home. Here's an easy way. Just add some home baking flour into a food processor along with salt, cubes of butter, and ice cold water and pulse until a dough forms. Add some more cold butter and pulse just a little bit more. Take the dough out on your tabletop and bring it together very gently. Dust with a little bit more flour and then roll it out thin. Fold it in thirds over each other and then turn it around and repeat the same process. Simple as that. Wrap with cling film and chill for at least 2 hours. For the filling, heat oil in a pan and add onions, garlic, dried thyme and black pepper. Cook for 2 minutes and then add it to some sausage meat. Mix and set aside. Now roll out the chilled dough to a thickness of 1/4 inch and then spread all that meat filling on one side of the pastry. Brush the edges with an egg wash and then fold the dough over. Push down the edges and score the pastry lightly. Slice it up into smaller pieces and place on a baking tray. Brush with egg wash and bake until golden brown and crispy. Everything delicious. I think so.